Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the cumulative update preview of Windows 11 version 24H2 build 26100.3323. This update brings a mix of new features, improvements and fixes that could make your Windows 11 experience even better. So let's break it all down. First thing first, this update is a preview build, which means it's not the final version but gives a sneak peek at what's coming in the 24H2 update. It's available for insiders in the beta channel. So if you are enrolled, you can taste these changes right now. Let's jump into the highlights. One of the standout features in this build is the enhanced start menu. Microsoft has introduced a new layout that makes it easier to access your most used apps and files. The recommended section now shows more personalized suggestions based on your usage patterns. For example, if you frequently open a specific document or app, it will pop up right there, saving your time. This is a small but impactful change that makes the start menu feel more intuitive and tailored to your workflow. It's all about making Windows 11 smarter and more personalized. Next up, the widget panel has got a major overhaul. It's more customizable with support for third-party widgets. You can add widgets for your favorite apps like Spotify, Trello, or even Xbox Game Pass. Plus, the design is cleaner and more intuitive, making it easier to access the information you need at a glance. I know some of you have been skeptical about widgets, but with this changes, Microsoft is finally making them useful. It's a step in the right direction. File Explorer fans, this one is for you. Microsoft has added tab grouping and AI-powered search to File Explorer. Now you can group related tabs together and use natural language queries to find files. For example, you can type "show me photos from last summer" and File Explorer will pop up the right files instantly for you. So this is a huge productivity boost, especially for power users who work with ton of files and folders. It's like having a mini search engine right in the File Explorer. Of course, no update is complete without a bunch of under the hood fixes. This build addresses several bugs including issues with Bluetooth connectivity, taskbar performance, and gaming related glitches. Microsoft has improved system stability, so if you have been experiencing random crashes or slowdowns, this build might fix that. It's always great to see Microsoft not just adding a new feature but also polishing the existing ones. It shows they are committed to making Windows 11 a smooth and reliable experience for everyone. Now let's talk about the known issues. Some users might experience VPN connectivity problems, so if you rely on VPNs for work or privacy, you might want to hold off on installing this build until those issues are resolved. There are also reports of audio glitches with certain Bluetooth devices, so keep that in mind if you are a heavy headphone user. As always, this is a preview build, so proceed with caution. If you are using your main PC, maybe back up your data first to be safe. So if you are excited to try out these new features, here is how you can get this build. First, make sure you are enrolled in the Windows Insider program and opted into the beta channel. Then head over to settings, Windows Update, and then hit check for updates. If you are not already an insider, you can sign up on the Microsoft website. It's free and easy to do. But remember, this is still a preview build, so there might be some bugs. If you are using your main PC, proceed with caution. Maybe back up your data first just to be safe. And that's everything you need to know about the cumulative update preview for Windows 11 version 24H2 build 2600.3323. From start menu tweaks and widgets improvement to File Explorer upgrades and under the hood fixes, this build is packed with updates that could make your Windows experience even better. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment below. Are you excited about these changes, or do you think Microsoft should focus on something else? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.